So I'm here at Public Square getting ready to try a Village pizza. This is an awesome investment opportunity. It already has a tenant on a triple net with a 7% cap rate. All you have to do is sit back and start collecting the money. Let's go check it out. I've got to try one of your pizzas.
Absolutely.
Thanks. So excited to try my pizza here at Village Pizza in Lagrange, Ohio. This business is an awesome opportunity if you are looking for your next investment. There is an office upstairs with a full bath, and there are 2 half baths downstairs.